Hey, second grade. This week we are going to start our piano unit. So it's kind of a big deal. If you have a piano at home, I would like you to practice on that. If you don't, I have sent a virtual piano link and you can feel free to use that. I know that some of you take private lessons, in which case you don't need to spend your time doing the things that we are going to do in this. I would prefer that you spend the time that you would have spent with me to do your private lesson practicing. And then at the end of your practicing, please take a video of yourself on Flipgrid and send me what you've done. For those of you that do not take private lessons, we are going to start with our finger numbers and by getting around on the piano keyboard. So the first thing that you need to know is that every finger in piano has a number that is assigned to it. So when you look, your thumbs are 1, your pointer fingers are 2, your middle fingers are 3, your ring fingers are 4, and your pinkies are 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So when we look at the piano keyboard, we're going to look at the groups of black keys today. So what I want you to do is see that there are groups of 2 black keys and groups of 3 black keys. So I want you to find all of the groups of 2 right now. And then I want you to find all of the groups of 3. And you should notice that there is a pattern. So it will go 2, and then 3, and then 2, and then 3. Okay, and we'll go like that all up and down the piano keyboard. Today, what we're going to do with both your right and your left hands is when you are playing with 2 fingers, you are going to be on 2 black keys. And when you are playing with 3 fingers, you are going to be on a group of 3 black keys. Now, when you're doing this, it doesn't matter which hand it is. Here's my left hand. I could be on 2 black keys or on 3 black keys. It's not going to make any difference. So you can play with both hands. I want you to practice with both hands because that's going to be a little bit tough. Now, today it doesn't matter 2 or 3 wherever you are on the keyboard, but I just want you to know in your head, left on the keyboard will be lower and right on the keyboard will be higher. Left and lower both start with L, so you can remember. So now that you know a little bit about the piano keyboard and your fingers, I'm going to send you to the piano curriculum that I wrote, and you're going to do your assigned pieces for today. So they're written in your schedule and and in your assignment for today. So don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. But you're going to be working with 2 fingers or 3 fingers. Depending on which piece you're on and where you're starting. So groups of 2 black keys and groups of 3 black keys. Have fun. And if you are a hybrid student, you will do half of your lessons at school and half of them at home. If you are virtual, you will do all of your lessons at home. I understand that this is going to be a little tougher. So if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll talk to you next week. Bye.